Shalom, welcome back. I figured I was making a Sabbath meal, so might as well share it with you guys. It's sweet, it's savory, and it's Jamaican jerk, ceviche. So what we're gonna do is start out with some fresh tilapia. Make sure you wash and clean your tilapia. Depending on how much you're going to make, it's gonna be depending on how many fillets you're gonna use. So I used about a good 4 fillets. And what I'm going to do is chop them up into bite sizes. After that, I'm going to be using a little bit of sea salt, kosher sea salt that is. So make sure that you guys use that. Then I'm going to be adding about a good 6 to 7 lime, fresh squeezed lime juice, and also 4 lemons, and adding that right on in, along with a little bit more kosher sea salt. After you've let this sit in your fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes to process, you're then going to add your vegetables, tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. And I like to throw in some cucumbers and a little bit more sea salt. I know it looks like a lot of sea salt, but it's not. Now here comes the twist. We're going to go ahead and put this in a smaller bowl. It's because it's just for me. I'm going to go ahead and throw in some cabbage. That's right, cabbage. Now I'm going to throw in some Jamaican paste jerk and then also some ginger paste to this. Now you can omit the ginger paste, but I'd advise you to go ahead and have that. I'm going to also throw in some diced pineapples along with a little bit of the juice as well too, to give it a little bit more sweetness. Go ahead and give this a mix. And if you guys haven't already liked, shared, and also subscribed, I would advise you to do so. And if you guys want it a little bit more spicier, go ahead and throw in a little bit more mild Jamaican paste jerk seasoning. And from there, go ahead and give it a quick stir. And if you want it a little bit zesty, go ahead and throw in a little bit of tomato sauce. Now, I've used this sauce in my other ceviche video as well too. I believe I showed it. So if you want to see what it looks like, go back there and go watch that video. Other than that, that's about it. And with that, enjoy. And the longer it sits in your fridge, the better it will be. And trust me, you're definitely going to like this. So make sure you like, share, and also subscribe. And with that, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And I will see you in the next video. Shalom.